Hi everyone. We're going to consider the events A and B, where probability of A equals 0.5, probability of B equals 0.7, and probability of A intersects B is 0.3. And basically, this means A and B together. So this little part in the middle is 0.3. And we're going to find these probabilities. So let's get started. So what they want us to do first is find zero. We want to find P, Q, and R. So for P, what we're going to do is know that we're going to do probability of A, and we know that's going to be P, so that A is this whole thing. So that's going to be P plus 0.3. We're also given that probability of A is 0.5. So let's substitute. So solving for P, we get P equals 0.3. All right, now for Q, we're going to do the same thing. Probability of Q equals Q plus 0.3. And we're also given probability of B. So this whole thing is B. And that is 0.7. So so that means Q has to be 0.4. Now R is here, so that's everything but these three. So we know P is 0.2. I made a mistake here. This should have been 3. So this would be 2. Sorry about that. I was thinking of the answer. And then Q is 0.4. So R is everything else but these numbers. So you just take 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.3 minus 0.4. And that's going to give you 0.1. So the R portion is going to be 0.1. All right. Now we're going to do B and C. So for B and C, it says find the value of probability of A given B. So that means probability of, our formula is probability of A intersects or and not B, and then you divide by probability of not B. That's the formula for that. So probability of A but not B is this part. So it's just this part right here. So we can't use anything else. And P was 0.2. So that goes in your numerator. And then probability of not B is going to be 0.2 plus 0.1 because you have to include the R here. So not B is everything that we have is these two. And this is going to give you 2/3. Now it states, hence or otherwise, show that the events A and B are not independent. For them to be independent, probability of A times probability of B has to equal probability of A intersects with B. So probability of A is 0.5. Probability of B is 0.7. And that gives you 0.35. Probability of A intersects B is going to be 0.3 because we already have that that was given. So that part right there was 0.3. So that equals 0.3. These two numbers don't equal. So that shows that the events A and B are not independent. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. I think you want to come over, get her to the great band.